everything away. So this white tissue is all that kind of acid curdling the tissue, and just kind of causing tissue damage. If you are a subscriber of my channel and you've been watching all my treatments, you know that there's no cure for warts, but what we can do is we can trigger the immune system to fight it. And one of the treatments is using acid treatments. And what we're doing is just scraping it all away right now. And hopefully we'll see some nice clear tissue. But when you have had cryotherapy for such a long time,